everybody, and once again a warm welcome on my show Candid with Candida. Ishtano, आज माझ्या सांगात आसा the two Malkiriads of the Konkani web series season 3 Malkiriad. Please welcome Banner Silva, who is the actor, writer, director, producer of the Konkani web series Malkiriad, who is the son of a legendary actor, Emperor of Konkani stage John De Silva, along with the actor Dattej Naik. Yoka tumka amच्या आयचे कार्यावळीन.
Thank you Candida for having us.
How are you all?
Hey, good.
Good. All set?
Yes.
आता म्हाका एक सांग तुमच्या मदलो कोण मालकिऱ्यात?
ते
season 3
सप्टेंबरा कळटले.
Suspense?
7:30 PM रवींद्र भवनात तेच कळटले.
शुअर तू कोण मालकिऱ्यात ना?
एकटो हा सगळ्यांना म्हणलो. But suspense.
Okay, all right. Okay. What is the meaning of Malkiriad?
मालकिराद म्हळ्यार mischievous. So
One last mischief that you'll say.
one last mischief. So that is the tagline of season 3. सो आमी जेन्ना स्टार्ट केलोले तेन्ना आमकां हें आलोलें की कॉलेज लायफाचे लायक ग्रूप ऑफ फ्रेंड्साचेर तांची लायफ दाखोवपाक. सो तांचे बरोबर जी फकाणां जाता ती बी सगळी आमी दाखयतो म्हण. सो दॅट्स हाव वी स्टार्टेड विथ मालकिराद. मागीर तांगे ते बिझनस येता. बिझनसाचेर आमी एक ट्रॅक हाडलो. देर इज अ रोमॅन्स ट्रॅक बिटवीन नॉन्ड एंड मयुरा एंड दत्तेज एंड ईशा. सो तें आसा. देन सीझन 2 एंडेड ऑन अ क्लिफ हँगर वे there's Kenny found in a room and people don't know like what has happened to him. So things on आता continuation thing like the season 3 starts right on the next day.
Okay.
Body media things on next day on season 3 start आता. So yeah, that
Okay.
is.
Why did this concept come in your mind? Like कित्या आयले web series करपा? Because Konkani web series like season 1, season 2, season 3 has never happened. Web series are there.
Yeah.
But so why did you decide?
So college आसतना हांव ऑन OTT प्लॅटफॉर्म्स बीन जायतो वेब सिरीज चोयतालो. एंड तेन्ना आमी शॉर्ट फिल्म करताले. सो एक दीस हांव आनी चिराग नायक वॉज द सिनेमाटोग्राफर ऑफ सीझन 1 and 2. पूण सीझन 3 तो ना. सीझन 3 सिनेमाटोग्राफर इज जय परवार. सो तेन्ना हांव आनी चिराग बीन एक दीस उलयपा लागले की एक स्टोरी आलो आमचे कडेन. सो दॅट वॉज द प्लॅन टू मेक लायक अ मुवी खंयचे. बट तेन्ना ताका म्हळें की तो वेब सिरीज चलयता तें जे आसता ते ऑनलायन तेंगे बरे एपिसोडीक आसता. सो आमी ही स्टोरी आहाय ताका डिवायड करूया एंड एवरी एपिसोड आमी एक शॉर्ट मिनी स्टोरी वीच वील ऑल्सो लिंक इट टू द मेन स्टोरी तशें करून करूया. सो दॅट्स हाव वी मेड रेनबो. सो रेनबो वॉज तेन्ना गोवाची फर्स्ट वेब सिरीज. ती आमची 2018 येयलोली. सो ती जाल म्हणटरी मागीर म्हाका दत्तेज मेळ्ळो.
एक्चुअली म्हाजे मायंडा कॉन्सेप्ट आशिल्लो एंड एक्चुअली बॅनर वॉज माय स्टुडंट आनी तेन्ना हांवें ताका सांगलेलें अशें करून. या सो तेन्ना हांवें ताका सांगिल्लें की असो असो कॉन्सेप्ट आसा तकल्यांक आनीक सिन्स ही वॉज इन 12th आमी चिंतलें मुखार केन्ना करया म्हणून. एंड देन तें मुखार मागीर वेन रेनबो केम आय कॉन्टेक्टेड हिम बॅक. मागीर आमी बसले एक दीस हांगा पर्वतार वयर वचून बसले थंडपणे एंड वी डिस्कस रिगार्डींग दीस. हांवें एक रफ ताका आयडिया सांगली. देन तेणें एक्चुअली सगळें मेहनत करून सारकी ती स्क्रिप्ट बी सगळी बरयली एंड देन वी केम अप विथ मालकिराद सीझन 1 and it was a hit. So after that season 2 and now season 3.
So एक म्हाका मातशें करेक्ट करपा जाय की सीझन 1 आनी 2 हांवें बरयलो. सीझन 1 I had written completely. Season 1 and 2 was written by me and my brother Chris Silva. He is the writer director of the Konkani film Connection. So what happened was ki season 2 jenna jale tenna pandemic येयले and after pandemic we took a very long break. In that time some of our actors started working. So it was very easy during season 1 and 2 because आमी सगळे कॉलेजीन आसले आणि we were easily available. But the minute सगळे कामां लागले it became very difficult for us to get people. And original plan आलोलो की 4 season आसता म्हणून. So I told my brother की अरे मुखान इथे जायना. Even I started working. So like I told him मुखान जायना हें. So he was like okay I'm free. हांव एक कोता I'll make it to 1 season. We'll show whatever we wanted to show over the 2 seasons in 1 season. So season 1 was written by me. Season 2 was written by me and my brother Krish. And season 3 is entirely written by him. Just wanted to clarify.
All right. Okay. Good. Okay. एजा फुडें मागीर आनी सीझन चालू
ना. So with season 3 Malkiriad series end आसतलो. There's a proper ending.
Okay, but this time it is not on social networking site. Why?
So YouTube येवपाना. This time it's going to release in the theaters.
कित्याक लागून आहे?
हे सीझन करपाक आमकां जायते एफर्ट्स लागले. जायते त्रास केले आमी लायक टू रायट द स्टोरी इटसेल्फ लायक डिपेंडींग ऑन कोण अवेलेबल आहा अवेलेबल ना ते बी सगळे दोन जायतो टायम लागलो. सेकंडली हे सीझन जे आहा तें अशें करून बरयलां की युट्यूबाचेर कितें जाता तूं चोयता यू वॉच इट अलोन यू लाफ अलोन बट दिस सीझन वील बी एन्जॉयड इवन मोर वेन यू वील बी वॉचिंग इट विथ अदर फॅन्स. देर आर मेनी लिंक्स टू प्रिवियस सीझन 1 सीझन 2. देर आर कॅमियोज देर आर सरप्रायझीस comedy चड ha, there's drama, there's romance, there's a new song
Okay,
coming.
this comedy, like John De Silva, your dad is acting in this, or
Yeah, so tani season 2 one acting kelole, and whether he's there in this season or not, that's also a surprise. Like he's
this season 3 is full of surprises, I think.
This
Yeah.
is one of the best compared to like
previous 2
before,
seasons.
yeah.
This one is even more
Kisan
grander.
Bare सारखे बरे बरेला, and even like it is very sort you can
Tell me
expect
something
more.
about you, since you are photogenic and you won the title of Mr. Photogenic for Miss India.
Hi-Fi.
Hi-Fi.
India's fashion icon.
Yes, in 2019.
Okay,
so how did they approach you? Was it like to a photogenic look dila and magi approach झाली?
ना
How it was?
ऍक्च्युली लहानपणाच्यान टीव्ही पळयत व्हडला असा. सो माय एक्सपेक्टेशन्स वर लायक एक्टर जावपाचें तें, बट तुमकां खबर आसा गोंयाक चड तुका प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळना.
Right.
सो आनी सेकंडली पेरंट्स आनी तेंगेले पयली प्रिफरन्स कितें आसा गव्हर्मेंट जॉब.
Right.
And this is not only me, most of the people think like
Everywhere.
government job. So कितें जालें, I finished my degree and luckily I got the job in Damodar High Secondary, and then like then I met Banner. So मातसो एक hope दिसली.
Okay.
And then we decided.
Then there was like ray of hope for you.
Yeah. And regarding the IFI, also like म्हाका तेतू glam and all, like every youth has that one this like they तेंगे एक हें आसता एक्सपेक्टेशन. सो तशें करून हांवें तेंकां म्हागेलो फ्रेंड आसा तेणें म्हाका सजेस्ट केलें दॅट यू शूड अपियर फॉर दीस, एंड देन आय गिव इट अ ट्राय एंड फॉर द IFI, एंड देन आय won a subtitle. It was a subtitle, Mr. Photogenic of India 2019. It was with the hands of Mr. Ranvijay Singha. Ranvijay. And that was like the best moment of my life. खूप कितें शिकपा मेळ्ळें. And it was supposed to be actually a web series like हे आमचे रोडीज बी आसता पळय तशें, but due to there's some copyright claims and all तें जालें ना. But still like that was the best part. Plus तुका भायले all over इंडियांतले लोक तुका मेळपाक मेळ्ळे, and थिंगाच्यान like लोक वळखपा लागले. And after that Malkirad happened.
Okay. Why did you like you know to screenचे shift कसा झालो? Like from photogenic like direct
ना
to
स्क्रीनीचे acting was my first preference.
the... Okay.
This happened accidentally. The IFI, it happened accidentally, and then afterwards, like as I said, my plan पयलींच्यान आशिल्लें to make this, and that was the time when YouTube people started recognizing the YouTube talent. सो बॅनरान रेनबो काडलो म्हणटकीर म्हाका आनी कॉन्फिडन्स येयलो की बाबा वाव, लायक कोंकणीन कोणी इतली बरी सिरीज काडपाक शकता. आनीक देन आय मेट बॅनर, वी डिसायडेड टू कॅरी ऑन.
What is your role in this? Suspense?
No.
म्हगे रोल म्हणल्यार ना रोल इन दीस एज इफ लायक फ्लर्टी एक्स्ट्रोवर्ट, लायक एवरीथींग तो सामको बिंदास घेता, सिरियसनेस कांय ना. आनी ही इज ऑलवेज सर्चिंग फॉर अ permanent girlfriend every time. तेका मोग जाता, like every time he is in true
Oh,
love.
you are searching for permanent girlfriend?
Permanent girlfriend.
Seriously?
Like, yeah, and he's
Seriously,
like,
in your original life?
yeah, no, not in the series I'm saying.
Okay, series, in the
like
series.
तेका सदां करमोग जाता दिसांतल्यान 2-4 बीन तसो म्हळ्यार तसो
करमोग.
जाता.
Right.
तेश कोन तेजे कॅरेक्टर आसा.
Nice. All right. Okay. When तू पयलींच सांग जावं I'm sure definitely तुझो dad तुझो inspiration आसतलो. So like तुझो background कसो आसलो? You always wanted to come in the film or theatre or what?
So I acted in my first drama when I was in 4th, Ekvot म्हणून Dedilo drama. So that was the first time I was introduced on the stage.
Okay.
After that पप्पाले तो हे टेली हे आसताले पळय films, VCD films, Loft Day, Gondol. So हांव तेन्ना तितून बी acting करतालो. So I always had a liking for acting. But at the same time, my parents didn't push me forward. Like after Ekvot, there was another director who wanted to put me in his drama. पापान म्हळें की पयलीं तूं तुगे शिकोवप कंप्लीट कर and we'll see it later म्हणून. So समर वेकेशनान तो त्यात जाता रिलीज समराक. सो हांव तितून मागीर एक्टिंग करतालो पापाले. समटायम्स आय वॉज लायक अ सबस्टिट्यूट आसतालो कोण ना जाल्यार. देन इन 8th standard I acted in his drama Rochnar. So I was always into acting on stage, but I never went into it full time because I was also good in studies. So I finished my 10th, I finished my 12th, I completed my engineering. So when I went in engineering is when I met the my other friends. So I saw ki तांकांय आवड हा. other than studying you can do something at the same time. So चिराग मेळ म्हाका, सो तो सिनेमॅटोग्राफी करतालो. सो तेन्ना आमी एक दीस अशें डिसायड केलें की ओके सॅटर्डे संडे बी मेळटा तेन्ना आमी शॉर्ट फिल्म्स काडया म्हणून. सो दॅट्स हाव वी स्टार्टेड, लायक शॉर्ट फिल्मांतल्यान स्टार्ट केलें. 3-4 शॉर्ट फिल्म्स काडली. तितूंतले एक शॉर्ट फिल्माक ESG एनवायरमेंट फिल्म फेस्टिवला इंडिविज्युअल कॅटेगरीन प्रायज मेळ्ळो. आफ्टर दॅट वी डिसायडेड टू मूव ऑन टू वेब सिरीज रेनबो काळी. ताका जायतो बरो रिस्पॉन्स येयलो, एवरीवन लव्ड इट. सो देन एवरीवन वॉज वेटिंग आतां नेक्स्ट कितें काडटा. सो रेनबो मातशें सिरियस टॉपिकाचेर आसलोली. सो एक फावटी आमी म्हणलें ओके मातशें कॉमेडी हें करुया, वील शो द लायफ ऑफ कॉलेज हें, आनी ताजेर आमी मालकिरात काडलें. मालकिरात आनीकूय बरो रिस्पॉन्स येयलो. सो मागीर मालकिरात सीझन 2, मालकिरात आतां सीझन 3 काडटा. येस.
Okay. Are you also a silent killer like your father?
Define silent killer.
All right. Okay. Any one dialogue that comes to your mind now, like जेन्ना तुमकडे आतां उलयता तुमी सांगता मा मालकिऱ्या. So any dialogue that is coming to your mind that is like you know एक famous जाला.
एक डायलॉग हा जो सारको फेमस जालोलो, दॅट वॉज सीझन 2 एपिसोड 5 उज्ज्वला म्हणटालें बेश्टें रे.
बेश्टें रे.
ते मीम्स बी येता बेस्टेरे that is from there.
Okay. बेश्टें रे.
Yeah, बेश्टें रे. So that became very famous.
And here?
Season 3, there are dialogues, but we are not sure which one we'll click now.
All right. Okay. Any songs?
There's a new song coming up. It's not released yet. We'll be releasing it shortly.
All right. Okay.
एक सेकंड सीझनाचो फेवरेट डायलॉग इज ऑफ जॉन सर. दॅट इज शिकोन कोण व्हडला मुनी जेल आवडला आता.
All right. Okay.
हांव ते म्हणत रावता.
Okay. All right. Tell me something. तुम movie बा पळयता आसतले.
Yeah.
Which was your last movie?
Moostly Pushpa and all.
Pushpa.
Pushpa.
Okay. You remember any dialogue from the Pushpa?
Yeah.
Since you watched it last.
Okay.
You know anything?
You want me to say it? Pushpa. Pushparaj. झुकेगा नहीं साला.
All right.
That is
Okay.
like most common.
All right. Okay. All the very best, both of you,
Thank you, thank
and
you,
all
thank
the
you.
very best for Malkiryad also. Let's see how it goes and
Yes.
hit. So, आता कितें करूया? It's time to play some game.
Yes.
Okay. So, are you all ready? There'll be a small activity for you all. एकामेकाचे तुम्ही faces जाणा न्हू?
Yeah.
पयला आसतले. From
Okay.
season 1 you're with him?
Yeah.
All right. So now it's time to play a game. Ready?
Yeah.
Chalo. All right, it's time for some activity now. So basically, तू अजय शिवाय teacher, so teacher आणि student, आणि आता cinematographer, I mean actor, producer, बस सगळे हात all in one. So as you can see, these are clays, different colorचे clay हाय हांगा. So what you have to do is 1 minute you तुमकां दितले हांव, तुम्ही एकमेकाची तोंडां करपाची. In that 1 minute, okay? Let's see, the teacher wins or the student wins. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay? Let's see who is the perfect Malkiryad. And your time starts now. Clay molding केलेले पहिले केन्ना?
ना.
First time करता. Alright, 1 minute you are getting. तू सारको पयला देहा.
बरो काढला बरं.
बत्तेर
Oh,
तो दोय बा सारखे काडटा दिसता म्हाका.
walk काडपाक मेळपा.
I'm very bad at this.
वेकना जालो रे.
Beard, yes.
Nope.
Match जाता.
Nah.
Okay, time's up.
Done.
Done? You did?
I don't know.
What is this?
This is Dattej.
Correct.
The green part is the beard.
You did the beard only, covered the beard.
ए होते दिसता.
तेण सारखे काढला नाक. तो तू सारको ओगोता तो by your face. Beard बरी आली. Green color beard first time. All right, okay, well done guys. Now we are moving on with something very interesting and it is called as rapid fire. Rapid fire म्हणल्यार मातशें मागीर भिरांत दिसता न्हू. So rapid fire, we need to be very spontaneous. Ready?
Yes.
Let's get started. All right, rapid fire round with Mr. Photogenic of 2019. Dattej, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. गोरमी वा थंडी?
थंडी.
तू दिसाची सुरवात कशी करता?
मोबाईल फोन.
मोबाईल फोन. भाव. जरी तर तू एक ल्हान भुरगो असलो, तू स्वताक कितें एडवायस दितलो असलो?
Go with the flow.
Go with the flow. What is success according to you?
Success is how happy you are.
Okay. तुका आयज पासून बेस्ट फॅशन एडवायस कितें मेळ्ळें?
Best fashion advice. Black shirt, folded sleeves.
You were white man.
No, it was.
Otherwise. Okay. तू तुज्या जिवितान तू कितें कोत्ता आनी तू आयज खंय पावला तातून खुशाल आसा?
No.
ना?
There's always, you should be progressive. Always.
राइट ओके गुड जरी तर तुजे लागीं 2 ऑप्शन आसत जाल्यार तू कितें करतलो वूड यू फाइंड योर ड्रीम जॉब और विन द लॉटरी
Win the lottery.
व्हाई
Because then you can create a job.
ओके हु इज द मेसिएस्ट पर्सन यू नो
Messiest
दिस आई विल
person.
पुट यू अक्रॉस द सीजन 3
Okay, across the, as in like crew,
या
cast and
Yeah.
crew. Messiest person, Jai, our cinematographer.
व्हाई
Because he while shooting, तो आपल्या कॅमेरा इकडे असता तेका मायक हिंग असता हेंग असता ते हिंग असता ते आमी सांगळोवपा पडटा.
ऑलराइट ओके व्हाट इज द बेस्ट एंड वर्स्ट परचेज यू हैव एवर मेड
Best and worst. It was power bank.
व्हाई बेस्ट एंड
10,000 mAh power bank. एक महिना गेली.
ओके व्हाट इज द डमेस्ट वे यू हैव बीन इंजर्ड
Dumbest way I've been injured. Okay, while playing volleyball, it's in 8th standard. Volleyball खेळत असताना जस्ट volleyball खेळून जालो काय इंजुरी जालो ना जस्ट क्रॉस करतालो वयर एशकोन नेट उडलेलें आय गॉट अ स्कार हियर.
राइट ओके व्हाट इज द क्रेजिएस्ट थिंग वन ऑफ योर टीचर्स हैज डन
आपल्या लव्ह स्टोरी सांगताली आणि माय क्लासमेट्स तिका विचारताले जस्ट टू लायक हे लेक्चर हे करप वेस्ट करपा.
टीचर्स विल हियर दॅट ओके भुरग्या पडायली तुजी एक वस्त जी तुका अजूनय करूंक चड आवडटा
भुरगीं म्हणाली पिक्चर पळोवपा.
हू हॅज कम्प्लिटली लॉस्ट युअर रिस्पेक्ट
Lost my respect. That is the tough thing. Like
ओके ऑलराइट
ते बद्दल चड चिंतना.
ओके इफ योर लाइफ had a mascot what would the mascot be
Courage the cowardly dog.
why
Because I find that funny.
okay where is the craziest place you have danced
Danced. Can I give the spoiler? डान्सिंग म्हणटा हांवें खूब कमीच केला आनी सीझन 3 इल्लेशें केला.
तुवें विकती गेलेली गरजेची वस्त खंयची
गरजेची आय वूड से बायक्स
नायस ओके
बिकॉज आय ट्रॅव्हल अ लॉट.
ओके 3 वस्तू ज्यो तुज्यो कोणाकूच कांयच खबर ना
कोणाकच कांयच खबर ना.
एक
माय सॅलरी.
2
नंबर ऑफ बायक्स खबर ना अशें म्हणपा ना बट व्हेरी फ्यू नो.
3
आणि थर्ड इज दॅट वन्स अपॉन द टाइम येस थँक्यू. थर्ड सीझनाक ईशा मेळटा काय ना.
Alright, well played.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well done. Okay, now it's time with Benna. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. When are you most productive?
At night after 1 o'clock.
Why actors always productive at night? Okay. तुझं inspiration कोण?
John De Silva.
Should I ask you why?
I've always been following him since childhood and I have seen him.
Alright, okay. As expected. तुझ्या जिवितान आता at present कितें नवें घडटा?
Malkiria season 3 release of आसा. That is new.
तुका कोणाची चोड भिरांत दिसता?
Boots. I believe in ghost.
Okay. जेन्ना तू कोणाकूय मेवता तेन्ना तू तांचे पयलें कितें नोट करता?
Eye color.
Okay. Why?
It's a good way to.
Alright, okay. Weirdest thing that you have ever eaten?
Sushi. Didn't like it.
जेन्ना तू ल्हान आसलो तेन्ना तुजी आवय बापूय तुका खंयच्या नांवान उलो करताली?
Umau.
उमा?
Umau means elder brother and my cousin sister was born just after me, and ते म्हाका उमा म्हणटाले. 1 month later, everyone started calling me Uma. My dad calls me Uma.
Alright, still.
Yeah.
Okay, Uma. When it comes to opposite gender, तू पहिले कितें note करता?
Eye color.
Again, eye color. In which subject were you worst at school?
History.
Where is the worst smelling place you've been?
Sansudo.
तुझ्या कुडीचो सांदो तू वगडायत जाल्यार तुका केन्नाच दूख जावचें ना.
Stomach. I want to lose it. Somebody take it.
तुवें कुजनांत अशें कितें केलां जाका लागून तुका बरेंच आयकोचें पडलां?
Gas on दल्ली पटी.
अशें कितें आसा जें जायतो लोक मोनाक काळजाक लावन घेता बट दे शुड नॉट?
They take any small comments from big people very seriously, and they start trends.
ऑलरायट. चेडो वो दादलो जाल्ल्यान बरें आनी वायट कितें? वॉट इज द वर्स्ट एंड बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट बीइंग अ मेल?
You can roam freely without being judged.
ऑलरायट, ओके.
That is a good part.
तुका कितें आयकोन चड बेजार आयला?
Season 3 केन्ना येतले? Hearing it for the last 2 years.
Describe your style in one word. Banner's style in one word.
Funny.
Okay. तुझो weak point कितें?
Very sensitive sometimes.
Alright, well played, Banner. Well done, guys. Clap for
Thank
both of
you,
you.
thank you.
Okay, now it's time to play our final round. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
After that, I'm going to gift दितले.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Let's go. गेम खेळपाक आयज आमच्या बरोबर आसा 2 मालकीरायज as I said. आणि गेम अशी जातली. There are 2 toothpicks here. Rubber band आहा. 2 कलराची आहा. एक रेड आणि एक येलो. Which color do you all want to choose?
Yellow.
Red.
Yellow, red. Okay. What you want to do is 2 minute तुमकां दितले हांव. Straw आहा. So ते straw तुम्ही घेवपाचे आणि ते rubber band you have to pick the rubber band and put it on the toothpick. जितले चोड घालता he is the winner.
One at a time.
One at a time.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Okay. Both of you all one at a time.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
You want any trial round?
No.
Okay.
Direct
Alright.
take.
So your time starts now. Yellow is of Banner. Okay. तुम घराकडे प्रॅक्टिस करून येलेले?
Nah.
No. व्हिडिओचून येयल्ले.
Who's expert in playing games? No? Banner? Okay. You cannot take it out.
ती दुसरी कलर घातली मरे.
Eh.
हय.
Yellow, green.
ग्रीनही मिक्स करतो.
Yeah, it's mixed.
Yellow, green, same रे.
Same it is.
हे. चिटिंग.
नाही 2 घातली मरे तुवें.
ना. एकूच घातले.
Okay.
झालं नर्वस.
Do you put two?
ए. चीटिंग करता
Stop
है.
One at a time.
जाग काबार जाल मगेल.
Red आणि
प्रेस करपा पडटा.
Okay.
अरे.
तुगे सायडी मागे चड बरले. अशें हाडत प्रेस. कळ्ळें.
Okay. Time's up. कोण दिसता विनर जातलो?
तेच.
Okay, let me count. Alright, so Benna, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, Datesh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the winner is Dattej. So give a round of applause to Dattej. Okay. Alright, Dattej, you're the winner. So this is for you.
Thank you.
And this is for you.
Thank
This
you.
is a small token of appreciation from the team Prudent Media. Thank you so much. तुम्ही आयज हांगासर आयले आनी कालजांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. वेच्या पयलीं वेनत बाब तुकोडल्यान एक डायलॉग लोफडे फिल्मांतलो प्लीज.
बाबा कितें खावपाक?
चिकन बिर्याणी, चिकन पुलाव, चिकन मंचुरियन, चिकन चिली, चिकन तंदुरी, चिकन लॉलीपॉप, चिकन तंदुरी हें सगळें आमकां ना.
कितें आहा तर खावपाक?
उसळ भाजी आनी वडा पाव.
सगळ्यां गरम कितें आहा?
रान्नी उजा हाडचो.
Wow, yeah, well done. All the very best to your movie, the Konkani web series, Malkiriad. And वेच्या पयलीं anything that you have to say for our viewers?
कॅन्डिडेट विथ कॅन्डिडा हो शो हांव जायतो एन्जॉय करता आनी हांव सगळे एपिसोड्स वयता आनी आय एम शुअर इवन द ऑडियन्स वील बी एन्जॉयींग इट अ लॉट. आनी आमगेलो प्रिमियर शो वेब सिरीजाचो द मालकिरियाद सीझन 3 16 सप्टेंबर 7:30 PM रवींद्र भवन हॉल मारगांव हिंगा प्रिमियर जातलो. सो सगळ्यांनी चोवपा येयचें.
वील बी वेटिंग. सगळ्यांनी येवचें आमकां मेळपाक. एंड थँक्यू सो मच कॅन्डिडेट.
थँक्यू प्रुडंट एंड कॅन्डिडा फॉर हॅविंग अस.
Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. It's time to say goodbye. आनी तुमकां सगळ्यांक आमची कार्यावळ पळयतल्यांक चडांत चड देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडियाचेर कॅन्डिड
विथ
कॅन्डिडा.